Hi, welcome to Radiant Shenti. My name is Julie Kramer and I'm the founder of Radiant Shenti. Whatever brought you here today, whether it was a Google search for how to reduce joint pain, strengthen your kidneys, sleep better, or perhaps a meditation or class you loved on Insight Timer, and even the recommendation of a friend or family member, we're so happy to have you here. You're in the right place. Radiant Shenti is all about awakening your body's innate power to heal, calming your mind, invigorating your energy for a happy, joyful life. There are two ways to use Radiant Shenti. Firstly, we have weekly classes that we post, weekly videos. One will be a chair qigong, and the other will either be a standing qigong or a yoga mudra meditation, facial gua sha, something that is going to boost your health and really invigorate you. So you can just follow along with that sequence. It's a very well planned, thought out course of classes. You can also dip your toe into all of the other courses we have, wonderful offerings. You'll notice under our channel that there are playlists. We have Qigong for beginners, daily movements, yoga mudras, yoga. So have a great time exploring all of those offerings. Whether you're looking for helping with health issues, menstrual issues if you are one of our female students, or if you're looking just for longevity, living a vibrant life, we are so happy you are here. As always, you can send us questions in the comments. Your thoughts are welcome. Perhaps you want to see a special course offered in the future. We love that. We're so pleased that you're here to join us. Make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss any notifications of what's coming up, and just have a great time really learning more about your body and feeling great.